Hey there! We talked about what you should do when contacted by a collection agency, but what about what not to do? Let's dive right in. So, number one, pretty obvious, but don't give a collector your personal information. Collectors have different methods of trying to convince you to give them your information, but don't give in. No matter what, don't give them your bank account numbers, social security number, or any information on property you own. Good faith payments. Don't make them. While a collector might give you what sounds like a good reason, and you may think it's the right or easiest thing to do at the time, all the small payment will do is extend the statute of limitations. That means it's going to stay on your reports even longer. Next up, you should never ever admit the debt is valid or make any promises. The moment you acknowledge that the debt is yours in any way, you could revive the statute of limitations, which again means it'll stay on your report for longer. Don't give in to pressure. They may use high pressure tactics, start being rude and borderline threatening, or even start getting aggressive about the payment. Stand your ground. Don't get forced into anything. The simplest advice here is to keep calm. Don't lose your temper. If your collection ends up in court and you got verbally abusive towards the other party, the communication records could very possibly hurt you. If you are ever unsure of how to proceed or what to do, talk to a specialist. When it comes to problems like these, you want to get it right. And you definitely want to get it right the first time. Oh, hey, just stopping by to let you know you should like the video and subscribe to our channel. Have a good one.